What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ray. So today I'm here with something different. I'm gonna cook for y'all today. I'm gonna cook for y'all. But before I go any further, let me say, guys, make sure if you're watching this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and I mean turn on the notification bell so when we put up video you get notifications if video gone up. Alright, so yeah, I'm here with something different. I'm gonna cook for y'all. The other day I bought a wok. You know, it's an Asian thing. It's an Asian thing. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I feel Asian inspired. So what I'm gonna do actually is to cook for you guys today. I'm gonna make some chicken chow mein. I just leave in the gym.
Yeah. Squeeze boss. Chade. Representing fitness. Oh yeah. Every man and every woman know. Squares are the right man for your link from your one get fit. Nobody feel no way if you think so you believe it.
Right, so I am gonna go to Mega Mart to get the items. So meet me at Mega Mart.
Just pick up your phone and call Squares 528-259 because I'm willing to train you and keep your body in a good shape. Oh yeah. I'm willing to train you and keep your body in a good shape, oh. Good shape, oh. Let me give you some good tips. Squares got the patience for train us to make her get well thick. Squares is a brand that specializes in a good fitness. We make your body transform and keep you stylish. Premium quality, yeah. Because I'm willing to train you and keep your body in a good shape, oh. Yeah, I'm willing to train you and keep your body in a good shape, oh. Good shape, oh. Alright then, Squares brand make you stand out, make you unique and victorious. Now all of your good look dreams come true from you pick up your phone and call Squares. Because I'm willing to train you and keep your body in a good shape.
I didn't get the scallion in Mega Mart, so I'm gonna go down to the market to go and get it. Because what's an Asian food without a scallion? So I'm going to the market to get the scallion. Give me some scallion, my general. Yeah. Yeah, man, just give me 5 bills. Just give me 5 bills. 5 bills, 5 bills. Yeah. Thanks. So just in case you're wondering what is a wok, this is what I'm talking about. It's important when you're using a wok to mise en place. Make sure you prep your seasonings because it really gets hot. Alright, so you have to have everything prepared, so you just throw in everything. Alright, so I'm heating up the wok. As you can see, it's really hot, it's smoking hot. Olive oil going in. Alright, so for this one I'm using chicken thighs because you know it will be more juicier, already cut and washed. And make sure you have a wooden spoon to use it, right? I'm going to season with cumin, chili powder. This is my twist, my take on it, alright? So you guys can season how you want it, and then I'm going to use some coriander just a little bit, and I'm going to add some all-purpose. Finished. Just going to strain this off. Alright, so here I have my onion, my scallion, my pepper, mix up everything. My sweet pepper, this might take an even as I said before. My garlic, so I'm just gonna throw these in. I'm gonna save some of the scallion. I mean, so I'm just gonna saute these. I turned the phone the other way, I didn't realize, so that is why the previous fit looked like that, alright? So my apologies. So I'm just gonna saute the seasoning. Alright, so here I have some hot water going. Initially I said that I'm gonna use chow mein, but I didn't get that. I'm using instant noodles. So it's up nice and sauteed. Add back in my chicken. Right, and I have some, where is it? I have some pre-cooked shrimp. So it's not just a chicken dish. I did shrimp as well in the last minute. Alright, so here I'm gonna use some dark soy sauce, premium salsa de soya oscura pure. Somebody translate that. Lico brand. I'm also gonna add some chili garlic sauce. Salsa picante de ajos or ajos? Yeah. Yeah, about that. Alright, so of course you cannot use wok, or you cannot prepare Asian dish without sauce. Alright? Well, that was good while it lasts. Oh yes, and I didn't remember guys, the snow peas, I'm still gonna add them. Yeah, I'm still gonna add them. So now I'm going to add the instant noodles. Another day, obviously another day I'm at work, so I'm just here to close out the vlog real quickly. If you notice I didn't eat, right, so you guys comment and let me know if you want to see me eat rather than just cook. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Alright.